is in there. Like, I'm talking about when it comes to the results, like you see it in just a matter of 3 months. So it's like, if you want to make sure you're doing this right, you gotta look at the instructions for that Thicken Up. They got everything here, and you're gonna see the results that's gonna be there. But you're not gonna see the results if you're not using your Castre. You gotta make sure you're using this with your pump, man. Your spouse is gonna be happy, and you wanna be happy, cause you know you can deliver. And if you're a lady, right, you're getting this for your man. This is the perfect season. Christmas coming up. This is something that you wanna make sure your man have. You feel me? And you gonna hit the right spot. And you know what? If you're a man, pretty sure you want a bigger, you know what, right? Alright, so log in. Shop Thicken Up right now. Yeah, you. Shop Thicken Up right now. Stop playing around. Get off your ass. Shop Thicken Up right now and get you the pump. And don't forget that Castre. And you know the vibes. We out here.